Ready to fuel your investment journey? Let's dive into the simple ways to transfer money to your Fidelity Brokerage account. First, head over to Fidelity and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the Transfer tab, usually found at the top of the page. Click on it to access the transfer options. The most common method is an electronic funds transfer, or EFT, from your bank. If you haven't already, you'll need to link your bank account. Click on Link Bank Account and follow the on-screen prompts, which usually involves verifying your account using your bank's login credentials or micro-deposits. Once your bank is linked, select it as the source. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Choose your Fidelity Brokerage account as the destination, and specify if this is a one-time or recurring transfer. Review everything carefully and hit submit. Need to transfer a larger sum? Wire transfers might be the way to go. Find the wire transfer instructions within the transfer section, noting the Fidelity account number and routing number. Provide these details to your bank when initiating the wire. Checks are still an option too. You can deposit them through the Fidelity mobile app by taking a picture of the front and back of the properly endorsed check, or you can mail the check to Fidelity using the address provided on their website. For retirement funds, consider a direct rollover. Fidelity can guide you through transferring funds directly from another retirement account. Processing times, fees, and transfer limits vary depending on the method, so check the details on Fidelity's website or contact their customer service for any questions. Happy investing!